All right, this is Wednesday, the day before the famous Macy's Day Thanksgiving Parade. You excited?
Yeah.
So there's actually already floats out here that we could take a look at while we're walking our dog right in our neighborhood. Getting the floats ready. So what do you think?
Well, it's interesting. They don't look very fancy right now, but I guess within a day they'll look pretty fancy.
Yeah, I guess they're going to put them together here, so they're going to look great during the parade. So there are 3 stages to the parade. One, they're just getting everything ready right here. Later on today, though, we're going to show you them actually blowing up the balloons, because they got to blow them up the day before because they're so big. And getting these things ready. And then tomorrow on Thanksgiving, we're going to show you a little bit of the parade, because a portion of it actually starts right around where we live. So we're pretty lucky about that. These things are kind of like not really ready yet, but they're going to look awesome, I think, when the parade starts. What do you think?
Absolutely.
They're actually putting that one together now. You can actually see the amount of work that goes in to putting this parade together. It's just unbelievable how much just goes into it. It's incredible. Look at that, it keeps going down further and further. There's like so many of these floats, it's incredible. This is what the balloons look like before they're blown up. It's in a truck. So we're gonna show you next, we're gonna show you what it looks like when they're actually blowing these things up and getting things ready. All right, this is the balloon blowing up time. Well, one thing that's kind of crazy is the line goes for blocks, as you can kind of see. We're still trying to get to the beginning of the line, and we're almost at 70th Street now, or the end of the line. We're on like 70th Street now, and I think it's still going, and all the balloons were up on 77, so it's already blocks long. So as you can see, all these lines wrap around, and we still can't find the end of the line. It's crazy. Well, we actually found an end of the line, but we don't know if it's actually the line. So we're just gonna go see what happens. All right, slowly getting there, right? Yeah, finally opening up a little bit. There is security here. We got some bleachers for the parade tomorrow already. So obviously this is gonna be part of the route. We're on Central Park West right now, and we're at 73rd Street. We're gonna keep walking up to see where all the balloons are. There's the turkey float. So that's gonna be the start tomorrow. This is pretty cool. All right, that's Smokey Bear. A bunch of other balloons, and they'll all be on display tomorrow. That's the Wimpy Kid. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. That Diary of a Wimpy Kid is 39 feet tall. So Bluey the cartoon here is 51 feet tall. I know it's hard to tell, but these balloons are huge. A favorite is SpongeBob. The dinosaur one's not underneath the net, so that thing is open. Looks like it's ready to go. That is one big balloon. So that's Leo. It's what Adam Sandler does the voice, I believe. And we met the person who's going to actually be directing the handlers of this balloon tomorrow. So that's going to be really fun to see. See if we can find her up there. It's like Dragon Ball Z. I guess a few of the news reporters are out here tonight. There's a Pillsbury Doughboy, very famous.
Hi. Oh boy, I love this. You look so colorful. Okay. Where's Mother down? Right here. 4 minutes out. 4 minutes. I gotta be in like around.
So how they hold them, those little things right there, that's what holds them.
Yeah, because that's how what I do.
She said that she could sponsor 10 people.
Oh, really?
So that's Poe, a panda bear. You know what to say, these balloons are rather big. Baby Yoda. One of the Minions. Minion, that's what I feel like in this crowd. One giant Ronald McDonald. But being about health, I would not recommend eating at McDonald's. Alright. We're done until tomorrow, so hopefully we'll be able to see something tomorrow. But what I hear is over 1 million people watch this parade, so hopefully we can find a spot. One of the floats. So that's the Peacock that we saw earlier. Remember, it was all bunched up, and now it actually is put together. Some more of the floats. Willy Wonka. I guess it's showtime.
Yeah.
Parade starts, and looks like there's some activity here. Still before parade, but these are the people who are marching in the parade. Dancing Christmas trees, getting ready to dance.
Tell earlier than we did, and we left at 6:15.
So he wants to
He walked down. He said he's at 65th and Central Park West. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Have you been talking to him?
No, are you kidding me? I'd have to like take this, do that. No.
There's one of the Minion balloons. This is crazy. No matter where we go, it is absolutely packed. There must be millions of people watching this parade live. Got a bit of a protest going on. Baby Yoda. parade is over. How'd you like it?
Yeah, it was good. I got a good seat, so I was happy.
Yeah, it's fun. It's hard to get a good seat. It's very crowded here, as you can see. But anyway, I do recommend coming out. If you're ever here in New York when this parade is going on, you gotta see it.